Obugusi. Mwanchumurigaria Bwensoko TV na gukwandre Andonsi Asore mbiyamuna sawa tarigeta sidi kiga asubutko bwiga we 25 na rimo mutinyuga umutangani umwaka bw'ekiri bubere 25 ritukuriria Jumatatu no gusaba kwaninga gwatware ritukurigia na kwabera gukwega okene miruberio yagendrira sembeo Ensoko TV nabona senchira yabene ngo kwarigania semesa yama yakuru Ensoko ensa eyamo tukigusangana kumanya nara riaya aenekiwe hasiri tukeriga kurwa chinsi nyonye chense ndamono asato kumurekera orogongo rwa Gusii county ya Kisii county ya Nyamira na Bogochi county chonsi 45 na ibirase ensi ya Kenya sabari kibaito babikire kambi kurwa sema mbiyare ngentambe oikachinga kechiga ncheni konkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi hasiri baga yabago chokombwato sebutko bwale rokonekia amario gine chibicha ngochara senchirerengia togosabiro karanso ikovenento kurbono oika omwege nyiraboigo nabo kubwatia mesa iga yamayakuru Ensoko ensa eyamo wetrase mitandao ito yekerero ya Facebook na YouTube buna Ensoko TV abigase mitandao yane buna Clinton Ndigi korende tutaraya nyora senchira yoboikirano aya negati ya rito kwariga ndrito butko bwale.
It's very shameful, honestly. It's unthinkable that young kids who woke up in the morning to go to Sunday school would be tear gassed.
Mukonyi bomuraiwe kiama gya Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i omochire chibura buru chene getigwa se kanisa imense ya Nyeri.
Nikipata kuwa daktari nitafanya research nitafute dawa ya huu ugonjwa eczema. Watoto wengine wenye wanaweza zaliwa wakiwa na huu ugonjwa siwasumbue.
Maraki wa Brian Ogari osabire gusirwa wikirania ndoto ya Yakobo Munyagitari.
Inakuja, we want to win by a margin.
Na umurai wense ya Kenya William Ruto tebire nigo ikiama kia UDA kirengete konyora obobui asobochorio bonene omwako gocha. Karibu sana mwanchumu rigaria wana mayakuru Ensoko ensemo achakire bono. Yo kabero mawaziri boburendi bwime yense na bwigo mokonyi bomurai bwikiama gya Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i omochire bororobo sagani obubwa korekaneteri tukurigoro ensemo ya Wairima ekanisa ya ACK ime ya Othaya county ya Nyeri chinga kicho chumo igabugo sasi manyasaye habwa soyo kabero mokonyi bomurai bwense rigathi gashagwa negati abarabwatani bae barengego sasima ase chibura buru echo nigo chene gati abaraya bange bensemeyo abiga bakristo bakwenyora ase akongu chinga kibaru teretwa marioki yo kurusia mariga samaiso egakore Matiang'i atebire nigo kundireria obosibori bw'abantu chinga kicho sasima muri kito Debora Kerubo agotumanya senchire bwikira.
Oyo kabeire mawaziri bw'oburendi bw'ime yense oyu boigoro mokonyi bw'omurai bw'ikiama gya Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i omochiri obosagani bwakorekanete ritukurigoro ensemo ya Wairima kanisa ya ACK ime ya Othaya county ya Nyeri chinga kicho gosasima abwasoyo kabero mokonyi bw'omurai bwense Rigathi Gachagua aikiranita so gosasima.
What happened yesterday in Othaya Nyeri is very shameful. It's unthinkable that young kids who woke up in the morning to go to Sunday school would be tear gassed in the manner in which they are tear gassed without cause. There is no crime they had committed. They were not in the wrong place. They were in the place they wanted to be in at that particular time. Poor old women running around, away from tear gas and harassment is very, very shameful. And I've often said, for our political leaders, don't listen so much to the words they tell you, especially the ones in government. Look at their actions. Because how would a confident government do that? Because a government that's confident and has no problem with its population, with its people, why would they allow that kind of thing to happen?
ase chibura buruchu abarai barenga se kanisa iyo na abakristo nigo benyoleta asa kwa nguchinga kibaruteretwa mario kiyo kurusia mariga egekore Matiang'i atebirege kuniriria obusibuli bwo gusasima sebono atebire buna iyo nenchere ya serikali iroberetie gocherera abarai bakwamiriria serikali.
Inaonekana wazi kuna mtindo ambao mimi leo nataka kuzungumza wazi. Yes. Ni mtindo ambao unapangwa na serikali kwa kuhangaisha viongozi wa upinzani, wa kuhangaisha wale ambao hawaelewani nao. Huwezi kuwa na kitendo kama kile tuliona jana kule Othaya without county security team ya Nyeri kujua ni nini ilikuwa inafanyika, kwa sababu National Intelligence Service officers wako mpaka kwa sub county. Kukiwa na kiongozi wa upinzani kama Mheshimiwa Gachagua anaenda kwa mkutano mahali 2-3 days mbele ya hiyo, wakuu wa usalama wa hiyo area wanajua kwamba kutafanyika mkutano wa aina hii hapa, na viongozi ambao watakuwa hapa ni akina nani na akina nani watakuwa na hayo maneno yote. Inawezekanaje basi kwa mkutano kama huo watu waingie pale waanze kutupatia kazi kwa kanisa na kuna serikali? Lazima walipata nafasi, walikuwa na habari mbeleni kwamba Mheshimiwa Gachagua atakuwa huko, ataabudu hapo.
Matiang'i nigagikire abarai bagoteba buna rigathine roroberetio obusagani obuo ilianyoro gwancherwa saba na inchi tingaki aborio monene bwa abanyanyimbo gotenenera oboene.
Something lovable that Gachagua organized that so that he can seek sympathy. If he organized it, it's against the law. So why don't you arrest those people he was organizing that with? And this happened when Natembeya was attacked in Kabuchai. It was the same response. This is finally what is very stressful to me, to be honest with you, is this: 2/3 of these senior leaders in the security sector are people I worked with. I know them very well. Some of them are fairly decent people. I have said this and I don't mind repeating it again. The Inspector General, Mr. Kanja, is one of the best police officers in the country. He was my GSU commandant when I was Minister for Interior. I mean, the DCI. Hawa ni watu tumefanya kazi nao na ninawajua. Some of them are going to retirement. Why do they want their careers to be soiled by that kind of nonsense perpetrated by some third-rate politicians who have problems, and they think the best way to square out the issues is to go and beat up innocent children and women?
Ase nkwana yaye nigateba buna nigasigete serikali n'abarai barabisi asa abolirie bono ko babatoereru tinga kiensegenderete kuyarigania osobochole bonene bw'umwaka bw'ekiri bw'ibere 2025.
Mimi naheshimu serikali. I respect our leaders in government. You know, they are walking the country themselves to disaster, because you will never have enough bullets for 55 million or so Kenyans, and you can't shoot your way to electoral victory or what have you. You cannot intimidate people. You can't replace proper engagement with the public. So this effort of trying to create situations like some countries in the region is not going to work. Let's go to electoral contest. Kila mtu afanye yake. Wananchi wakiamua vile wataamua, basi hivyo ndivyo itakuwa.
Deborah Kirubo, Ensokoti.
Tokoska habosio mwanchomo rigereria muraiwensi ya Kenya Moske William Ruto niko bono aenekire unanige kiama kia UDA kerengete hobobui hobonena sobochore bonne bori bosio umwaka bw'ekirubere 2022 asatebire nigarigetie kubwa abameribaye wetania ni chikura chi million isato kubwatekana no kubwaterana we kiama kia UDA na keri ya ODM igatia barabekira nase umuyigoyo oeneki wase nyombene ni oborai haiga asumucho Nairobi ngamo no mokonyi bumuraibwense kiture kindiki muwaziri monene Musalia Mudavadi negatia barai kurwase ensemeria ye bunge enene na bwegeri ye Senate na barai banda banena sekiamekyo kya UDA muri kitoli na tinyambane agotumanyia senchere wikirana
Umurai bwense William Ruto oenekire buna nigo ekiama kia UDA kerengete obobui obonene asobochori obonene boribosio bumwaka bw'ekiri bubere 2025 asatebire buna nigarigete kubwa abamereri baye n'ekikura gwetani chimilioni 3 kubwatekana no kubwaterana n'ekiama gia ODM.
This election inakuja, we want to win by a margin of between 2 and 3 million. Mnanisikia? Wacha nirudie. This election, the last election, we won by a margin of 200,000. 200,000. This election, we must win by a margin of 2 to 3 million.
Gukwana ritko ria rero kurwa ase nyumba nene y'oburai imeyumucho Nairobi chinga keumirana ne komiti ya National Executive Council yekiama kia UDA. Ruto nigatebire buna ekiama ekyo nigo kirigeti gutingya chinguru chiae ase chinsemo cha mashinani inse ya serikali yobomo.
We have a broad-based government arrangement. Si ni kweli? Tulikuwa na matatizo, makelele, fujo, maandamano. Tukasema in every challenge there is a silver lining and there is an opportunity if you look carefully. So in that challenge that we were undergoing, instead of focusing on the challenge, we decided to create an opportunity out of it. Today we have a broad-based government with our friends, the ODM party, and we have agreed that this broad-based has worked.
Ase ensemo ya uchumi, Ruto nigatebire buna serikali yaye nigo erigeti gukinya ebirengo byense ya Kenya guchia ase ebigoro mono binyekalente buna first world.
Why is it necessary for us to have a strong political party? It is necessary for us to have a strong political party because the transformation of a country goes beyond one leader.
Ligati ya bari baikirana ase gikare kyo ngamona no mukonye bwo murai bwense Professor Kithure Kindiki umurai bwa bange ase ebunge enene amoneri ya Senate umuwaziri omonene negati ya barai bande bekyama kya UDA
through innovative funding models to modernize the port of Mombasa. So seaports, airports, railway, roads, and energy and agriculture. If we do that, Kenya will move from the third world to the first world in a generation.
I know that we have been part and parcel of this team, and we have done things that have helped the Kenya Kwanza administration attain the record of the score that you're hearing this morning.
And that transformation, Your Excellency, as my brother Aaron has said, did not just begin with what we committed to Kenyans as we campaigned together on the question of universal health coverage, on the transformation of agriculture, but moving on now to even what you have called or christened the Singapore dream or the journey to Singapore.
Kwa mambo ya kimataifa, African Union, yeye ndio champion wa African Union kwa mambo ya reform. Ana reform taifa la Kenya, lakini pia ana jukumu la kureform African Union.
Goripoteri ya Ensoko TV, erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Manchumurigeria togotikana na yo siasa bano togoswa seroboti rukubwatekana ni chisemi enka heyamo kurwa material mugonga igotoke wodi abo chitendere ensemo ebunge abo machoge chache county Kisii nigo yasokire na kurukuburia guchia se bali babwato moyo bugwanja kubakonya erinde umwana wa serieta Brian Ogari oyu urwarete korendo koria buyake masamate mama na KCSE omwako yeta na konyore grade kia A- kibwate chi point 52 na isano na isato kurwa se skuru yaba muraya Kisii. Brian nigarire kirenga kyogochia go koria buya na gosomera obunyagitari na gotumanyo muri kito Wycliffe Orenge.
Magega ya matemwa manene a KCSE yo mwaka wa 2025 wasokirwa bene chitariki kya ndo mutinyo mutanganya mwaka oyo emegane menge yabereke gokorwa iguru yabarakigwa bali abakoreta buya asa matemwa yo korende ase kenyero kya material mugonga eward ya bochite mu bunge wa machoga chache county ya Kisii asenka yaye umongina Josephine Ogari aiganigo umuganoreo umona Brian Watara oyu asoboge mabuaye obeire kagwetera mange asenga nchoborere bwaye bwokoyagia koro iboretwe magega yemitinyeto
ase family yeiga Nyasaye nansineti na abana batano korende umwana oyo mona abwati challenge obeire gotware challenge yo burwaire.
Majina ni Brian Watara Ogari, ni mtoto wa Mr. Jacob Omori Ogari na Josephine Nyabonyi, mtoto wa 4. Nilikuwa nikiugua ugonjwa wa eczema tangu utotoni. Ilikuwa ikinisumbua sana
korengana na ngina Brian oboroiro obwo nigo bwachagete bune biaye abwo ase achagete kwego mariogo anonya naye kigusi korende tibwachi gosira oboroiro obwo amenyere na borabwo ase myaka 19 kiana nake kiagereta gasere school awo asobobuna nigo arambokerie abarokigwa bande oboroiro obwo
ase challenge eyo engosi yaete linkia gabete ogochaka korwale keralenke 3 months old oruchinga kiekyo achagete korwara narwalte sana tugakagera ande ng'ana orwaye egekogera ekera arwarete igarenge kweyagi ase omobere oye ari kweyagi mpaka oiteka amanyinga tugatema komorigeria amariogo na komosiberi korende tagwena ekera achake skuru academy koroku Excel Academy erari junction ya kwenda Nyamache akaenda ororo almost etamwe yemo ekera ari agenderete kogenda eripoti ekarwa ororo egoteba ng'a omwarimu otebire ng'a omwana oyo andake nabare abasipambukeri abana bande oborwaire tukagive up tugateba n'omogaka ominto tugateba yaya bona akobera isiko tobe tokomorwari okogwena tochi tomoire esukuru
nonya nabo omwana Brian nigare omwana omong'ane kigima asamatemwa KCPE niganyoreta magisi aitanete kimenye nagokorangari kwa skuru ya bamura ya Kisii National School abo ase akoreta matemo mwaka oera nakonyora grade kia A- yechipointi M52 nesana neseto nonya kerenga kia lenge anyore A plane erinde achikosomera obunyagitari
bono gwetera challenges chigabeiro gotwara ekera akoreta amatemu ae class 8 korwa oroche na Excel akanyora 407 ekera anyora 407 akarangeria Kisii school na Kisii school obeiro gwetera the same challenges even teachers bae mbaroche shida arwate nyona abana nigo bakwebori ng'anki ekegosi despite the challenges gwetera chinguru chia Nyasaye omwana oyo niga akora amatemu buya akaba maintain A- korende tari A- atagete A plane and achikora medicine and surgery
enke yibono nigo yasokire eri gosaba ogosira erinde omwana Brian asomera obunyagitari na gwikirania endoto yaye
nikipata kuwa daktari nitafanya research nitafute dawa ya huu ugonjwa eczema. Watoto wengine wenye wanaweza zaliwa wakiwa na huu ugonjwa isiwasumbue hadi siku mingi, na ningependa kusomea udaktari. Hivyo ningeomba kama kuna mtu angeweza kunisaidia kupata scholarship niende nikasomea udaktari ili niweze kutimiza ndoto zangu.
Bono nigo yatigira saba samaria baya bonsi bakubwaterana na barai gwesokia erinde bakonye omwana Brian erinde ikire endoto yaye. Ingolipotera Nsoko TV ko Matieli Mugunga nsemo yebunga ya machoga chache county ya Kisii ereteriane Wycliffe Orenge.
Mwanchomo rigereria uyo no murikito Wycliffe Orenge unyara ko baga kupunikira roboti urwa gutogosaba ngo morko gunachi konyoro bokonye na kwegenderia se chisemi chiaye tugosuka bosio tutikarita sengana ye chisemi maiga yo moraibu ensi ya Kenya William Ruto kurugo chika una borkiwa begirede 10 abo bataraso ase eskuru banyara ko babagwa soari morioka buna bari nigo bone county Nyamira aborkiwa basoira ase chiskuru babegete uniform chigirede ya Kianda ase skuru ari omego PG UR mixed school hadi kutoka ase ward ya Magwa wense mwebonge North Pongirango niga borko 12 basoire kirasi babegete uniform icho chigirede ya Kianda hekero he skuru ya Getare mixed enero hase eward UAU yari kirio morkiwa oyo mubweka wikira boniga murikito Steven Nyariki nagotomanya senchere wikirana
Brian Asande negati yaborokiwa bakonyekire inse yechiko iyo murai bwense omoske William Ruto oyo chigete nga omorokiwa onde bwense oregire 10 aswe skuru ende onsi arangeretwe none tabwati kende nigo agosoa ase skuru ya Getare Mixed Senior Secondary ase wodi ya Magwawa ebunge ya North Mugirango ya Nyamira rero aiga nigakuomerana no mwarimu munene Evans Mung'are Moseti nigo abegete uniform ya grade 9 atabwati ebikoroto bya skuru atabwati kende yonsi ase korende ancheirwe gosoa ase skuru ya Getare
samari tangu kuprime ya sande ndo ya jamu makuru hanya wale principal ndio karibu sana ndi kiranzo ndio na wewe baomba Kenya serikali nyite efi ngendo kurubega n'ikibando ya n'ikinende naje skuru na beke uniform iri ya primary ni anga mu norongo kurabuna ya skuru
na tunataka tutii ile sheria ambayo imetolewa na rais wa Kenya ambayo imepongezwa na waziri wa elimu Mr. Migos Ogamba. Wasiwe na wasiwasi hata ingawa hawana yale mahitaji ambayo yanahitajika wakati huu, wacha tu wakuje shuleni tuongee ile ambayo wataweza kutoa watoe, alafu ingine waende kujitayarisha.
Umworokiwa oyoiga baibori baye bangire komosomia eskuru asengina amenyete umuchionaro ekereise amenyete asomuchio kitui ere umworokiwa kwa amenyete ngaga iga igento kiagera umukonyi bumugambi obonyengusa procation aire getambukero gyo komoreta eskuru eyo
ono unanjenga nturkwenya rabuya abo wakero musesi minayo tabarinde ngapimbo atibesa timbu atigende yonse ono tingo akera na mama linde nasangire muteja indero mama ali narko alatari kujitui.
Leo kama leo asubuhi tulipokea kijana mmoja ambaye alikuwa amekwama nyumbani kabisa. Naonekana wazazi wake walikuwa wametoroka nyumbani. Ni kama ni kutoroka kwa sababu wanaonekana kama hawataki kuchukua majukumu yao.
Brian nigagokire ndagira yeskuru yeiga.
Kali yule to sangiri pera ikumiyo. Usitona eskuru ya nabo sange. Nabo kali no kanya breakfast ya alimu itiro otavi. Wewe cyane kukuja hapa. Mkoa kama dai chakula vitu nikonjao unataka kwa kile yatigari.
Ase wodi eyo ase skuru yari Omega PH Mixed Senior School nigaborokiwa 12 basoire ase skuru eyo ase ebirasime babegete uniform ao mega ye skuru eyo ko banjira goso skuru eyo munabare
bakwane kwiga barisibi abana barabeyange 12 ekogera kuna serikali yategetenga abana basoje skuru batabati uniform batabati school fees tuwe kuna dio mego PH secondary tuwa barisibiti tuwa assist the principal are very supportive tuwa barisibiti na tukana ngiro kumjale ngande gato barabeka tukobatebi skuru ne yino lakini ande tuwa kwane tunawania se assembly abana bali bareke
watakana ne skuru eyo kobekwa se system yogochora asobochori bwa grade 10 ngani gego somari Omega PH Girls asebwente ko bari Omega Mixed School nige tantane yo yaretire aborokwa barense wikabono asaborokwa 50 no mo basoire boka asaborokwa betwe 250 Steven Nyarike Mode Ensoko TV North Mugirango county ya Nyamira.
Memoro Murikito Steven Nyariki embunda kurose county ya Nyamira. Tugeta sengana yechiseme manchu murigari waziri otunite wizara yechiseme Mheshimiwa Julius Ogamba nikobono aireire emirobire wizara yabekire iri kwene kyango kinire birango byechiseme kakwana kurwa somo bogani oyomo aiga somo chu Nairobi hasegikaro kyabalentama babwatane bechiseme Ogamba nigakwanire umubaro homoke bwaborokwa abo baene kigo bose bagendere kweri kyasiga cy'isukuru asatebire kiri kitaranyora aborokwa bayisaine korengana n'emirobire yabegetu abune wizara yo nigo wizara yabekire emirobire go cyakwane kibuna cy'isukuru ekyo enchiche konyora aborokwa samatukaribusi.
I know the application that we give, which is for secondary school, is 22,354. It's given in segments. First term 50%, second term 5%, first time 20%, we reduced the 50%, and the second person up of this the 4 days for the first time was 20, and that amount is to sustain the students for the first time this financial year or this academic year. So issues related to whether or not to go to able to face more money are issues conversations that we have. Look at what can be done if the budgetary constraints that exist, and if there is a possibility of getting more money, then we are to go back to that. But at the moment, we are dealing with the 50%, that doesn't have that students were given choices of 12 schools to choose from. So we have clustered schools from C1 to C4. Now they were to choose the best of 3 in C1, the best of 3 in C2, the best of 3 in C3, and the best of 3 in C4, making 12 schools. These are their choices. Then we are able now to use the new grading system to place the students into the schools of interest around the 12 of interest. So there were students actually all of them wanted to change the schools that were placed to a different school. Remember the schools that they were placed on, they were schools that they had selected, the 12 schools. But they would say, I don't want to stay in my C1, the best of 3, I want the other one. So we did those amendments and we revised that. We were able to sort out quite a good number of together. C4 schools or any other school where students selected with those 3 numbers. Once we have the data, we are able to make a decision where to take those students to. Then deal those students that are now learners. Obviously, it means that a school that does not have a 10 also does not have a 2. I used to see, I remember we don't have a 2. That means they only have 3 and 4. So we work together with TSC to rationalize that question. We are doing the analysis. We have extended the final week for enrollment is this week. Once we have the final data, sit down as a ministry, as a government, make a decision about the schools.
Wanchumuriria abo notukiro mutumoko humutangani gase mesa yama yakurwa ensoko ensa eyamo toskara sengencho tokore natura se kagatari getambe togandro kwe manyamanga yone kiwetke.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi Ebagote bango yogose komwelio nero gose kabya Maiga yokonyora mangana mange korwa segete seni kia osigete gen Soko TV boni go yakirenga kingo koleta nganya sai nigonda koletro murobili kurkunga amegelio yebebelia murobili nigonda olete amuna basomba banya sai abu astra ko batukwegera lingana sobwagale nantali yoka nonyora matera noena masabo nobori ntunyale koba tokorwa ayankira lituko liye sabato liya bande bagotabanga jumamos abande batabanga saturday chinsa 12 chamambia ugweka chinsa ibere tomocha gekora nchumulisyo ngaga nabasomba banyesaye ntokoletere umurubiri Bueleso Seseni Amoriri nigagendrete gotose mwana boire bukia tali Yesu sera ekegonko esukari lisabeso ukurasa kwa manyinga yani blood pressure ninki turakole wetanga kuruwa sare nyorali chibu asomurubiryo bubugima nobo chenu asora bigo kumeni wanabanyegitari bamarwire ao nabo yabamanyi bande bayatunge tyobo chenu kumurikira marwire nobo wenia nyoro murubiryo bubugima nobo chenu na Caroline Mausa Kirali tukule Jumatatu saa ibiri shabutuko ime Yensoko TV Oboroso Umugusi.
Abanda abange bakure because wese bulemo chiko kumuita
what a right yokuba bolinga nkibakone lyo bulemo
paka abandi bakoliga n'emyoro no ikiri nyumba umuntu nse chindo ndoko koro konya okore pita bwati gende bweita
amakweli yo gwicanya chisege okwego kyo konge no bulebi no kutumia malyogo yo gutindia
walenge kenywe kya
chingo machintindi kubwatekane mebasokano y'ekibara wetrasi chipigipigi ogotama na kubura kuro chinka chiabo asemya kemenge
bantigireza abana bakagenda bakabona itana gocha baka abana bakaba abantu abana
amuno butakobwere negative korwa bigendere tukubwatrenia abasai bari bakonya marimo ase chinsemo ao imeyorogomo wagusi
gakoni litanga chibese iki ali chiere elia kabere na ache naenda arurenga nari gusukia keiga osebese nenkonye kwanyora naende oniri elia kabere wone kera oniri obulimo lero muna marima akeire kwanyora obulimo bwakorireki waerire ne kera obulimo bwaerire bugimba bono mbo yesari umuntu ogenda nebisima lende tokunyete oyigore besima osoima
ine ninki kusikiagarira ebikoro nebi kogenderera kuiremeri omurike ito bobo nengia Daniel Omwaga negairire meri gotukuria asobweme na gwasyo kingane yeteneni
buri abantu bari grounding aki ine obule moboiga mbuota mangana dons kugaraiga na bagota binga yayo boiga mbuota bina abantu barwanire mu kiyoga abantu bayitanire
tomo cyo gusonche getesini kiyaho kiyabene Yensoko TV ime yomurobelyo bomugondo bwamakweli bwerere maiso marore no bwichanire bikorwe bi Yensoko TV Oboroso Umugusi. Mrna nabali bechinguru erikwe manyabo na wataka kurutananya chiense Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Lynette Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke nakige kos kiamesa yamangana maya. Eye Yensoko TV Oboroso Umugusi.
Bienvenido mwancho murigaria hasoko gendra kubwatia umuroberio wemesa mayakura nsoka ensemo abano togos kabosiko kumanya yagenda takone kiwa sense mega ya kabere igati yabamenye bensemo yabonchari niko bona bamochiro mujumbe bwensemo y'umushimi Charles Onchoke asogotana na chibasari hasenchira ebwendrete here yobwane no yobwasioko okwana hasensemo yasuneka bakorogwa no yokabero mujumbe bwensemo y'umushimi Pavel Omeke niko bona atebire bunege tambakiro ye serikali yo kubaburi abayiburi kubaira abariko babegire digikomi chiskuru au batabwati school fees abayiko batabwati ogosiro akuru aseke ganjagia CDF wetera se chibasari nigeta igocha goikiranirwa na abayiburi abange niko bona Pavel Omeke hamusabiro mujumbe Charles Onchoke kubwati achinchira chiaye chuburai yo kweneki abuna chibesa cheke ganja cha CDF nko bakonya chire abarkiwa abo batari kwenyara.
The 100% transition, the government is doing a good thing. The chiefs, the assistant chiefs, should actually make sure, and the clan elders, that people should go to grade 10 and that they actually get education. So it's a good policy, but again, if you don't give them bursaries, most Bonchari people are very poor. We're one of the poorest counties, constituencies in Kisii County. So we want that to continue. We also want to ensure that they are also given bursaries. The cries of Bonchari have reached me. People are poor, they are suffering. as others have addressed the issue of bursaries, the CDF bursaries, we are asking Honorable Njoki to hear the cry of the people of Bonchari. The policy that you cannot be given, a student cannot be given bursaries if they are schooling outside Bonchari is a backward policy, is a policy that is encouraging poverty. Why will we get our future leaders?
Jambo ningependa kuongezea ni kwamba kwa maneno ya allocation of CDF projects. Unajua zile zetu zilifanya vizuri this time kwa sababu ya bidii ya management of the school na wazazi na wanafunzi. It happens some schools watoto wamekuwa huko wengi, na hiyo issue imetendeka one of the schools within Bonchari under Murenda ward. Mheshimiwa akiulizwa watoto wamekuwa wengi, tungependa mtusaidie pesa tujenge madarasa. Mheshimiwa anasema kama watoto wamekuwa wengi wa transfer kwa shule nyingine. Surely. Watoto wamekuja kwa shule yetu. How can you advise us then tuwapeleke kwa shule nyingine? Na wameamua kuja kwa shule yetu. Kitendo kama
Kurochise mi mwancho mulgari abono togoso asobo chenu hekero ense hegendrete kubwato ke kurete gochia saba menyi igoro yoboroire bwa cervical cancer igobona mu waziri bobo chenu ase county Nyamira Dr. Ronald Mogoi hasabira abanyamira gwesoke na korengwa iri kugania ase atebe kukwana rero kurase abisi yaye nigo Mogoi atebirenga e county Nyamira nigebwate ebirengo bya 15 na ibere igoro yemia byoboroire bwa cervical cancer igento bono gekogosereria.
Amarita Dr. Donald Mogoi, waziri wa afya ase county ito ya Nyamira. Lero ntetukwana na mangana y'uburoiro wa cancer. Ninde nekene ngabange waito, including noninje, tugwata abairi, tugwata abasani, tugwate abaminto. Barwari uburoiro buiga wa cancer. Cancer yeri kireke ungu ky'umubiri nabwo konyora cancer. Kuruwo mutu mpaka nona sibyari by'amaguru nabo konyora cancer igwanseroro. Na cancer yigane no mona ase county ito ya Nyamira usase kusiya ito. Cancer nene asabangina cancer ye cervix, cancer ya breast cancer, asaba sacha cancer ya prostate ichinjiro common sana. Na cancer ikiga cyonse peka to chukwana ra usekaro kuligereri karo umuntu akugunduliwa mapema. Karo wajiri screening ugunduliwa mapema na cancer ige kurwaliwa. Goki gusaba abantu baito anene mono banyamira na abantu baito abagusigo Kenya ngima nuko batebinga kogenda screening kere nyagitari cyeto nchibwate njera chigo screen chospi even cervical cancer na bwo kwenda nyagitari ndio na bwo ba screened ki dispensary jito chi health center chiti kera wa nyagitari baito bari trained to screen ekara kwa biri screened no toka nga kera no toko manyanga aye egento kelyo bwate no bwate ento gorange edition ya koro kinga na bora chutwara cancer kuchimutu na beko ba kurwaliwa nekaro ya rwaliwe aina wono ko declared cancer free na after kwa very screen na banga kwa tokire na cancer na andiko ere mapema ake na boko ba referred with ya soko uranyore ukurwali gokuya cost yo kurwali cancer munyore ngasha ase ango mwako yubuna bwanza mbako nere cost yo kurwali cancer ase Kenya sha igego cover cost ya cancer at 500,000 shillings. Lakini 500,000 shillings tali kilo chichigo chira kurwali kera kansa nga gwatoka gopimu nkororo na no gopimu ya kerengaki marioga ena rororo wansire eido wasira mariogo yoko nyuri tukorwa chemotherapy na ndoga ndo sina mariogo yogo sambwa radiotherapy ebibionse gero kuri ya averagely terigo cost less than $1 million.
Mancho murigaria toguska obosio niko bono murikito Vincent Munda agotumanya buna ekanisa igi Adventista aiga Kenya nigo yachagete n'aba missionary aso mwaka weriwe mo chimikianda na isano nemo imeyagendia county ya Homa Bay aso mwaka oichirwe weriwe mo chimikianda na ikome na ibere igatwara bose igatora ime yomochi obosonge nsemo ya nyanjwa kurwabu ekanisa eyo ya robeire na korandia ime yebinyoro hase chinsemo ime yagusi egati yababwatani be ya Adventista abo basanga negetasene gensoko TV nigo bono bagotebe kanisa eyo nero yagerere obugima obuyakonekiwa na boigo amagendero ime yagusi.
Wana chikambi cha mente kanire chaicho ire gusi. Ne chikanisa ne district iro nomoroberio Nyasaye.
Umurandia Postina Obare Masanya uyu batemya karigana elimo no muiborwa kurogetengereria kyabonyoru ebunge ya Noti Mugirango county ya Nyamira. Noyo wabarandia bali bakabeire be kanisa ya Adventista kurwabo magega.
Onagero togosoma klase eria ito ganyoru mwalimu uringo nsomia obokristo akanyorokereria obokristo Biblia iyo nkayanja ngasoe class.
Obare kagokina na chaboncha lingana lyo munguru.
Mwaka 49 kero turaze togosoma kirasi sato tujigokora CE nkabatiswa n'umupasita ulikorokwa Abrahamu Irere.
Nyuma ataraso akorandelingana sichikanisa na beto mwalimu na boiga gakoro botatine kimbe ky'abasongo igoro yo kubanga oroiboro.
Twagenda Soburandia ngakora emirimo y'Oburandia emyaka 30 n'obwalimu n'enusu ngaika mwaka 99 kundeka Birigo district nkaritaya ngajaka.
Nonyo murandi oyo urwete mirimo ye kanisa tachieti gotiga kanisa.
Yobono inkande soko nakugera na gakora emirimo ye kanisa kogendia emirimo ya Nyasaye. Yobono nabongendete kwegera nabongendete gusoma na gakonya emirimo ye kanisa ase kanisa yitu yagatengereiri mbwate kalasi nkworokereria.
Aso mwaka bweli bwe ya mochi mikianda ni 5 nemo aba missionary Arthur Kaskaren kurwa Bongereza na Peter Nyambo kurunse ya Malawi bagasoa sakuru kwa gendia aso mugondo bwosumba ime ya Kendu Bay county ya Homa Bay na kobeke kanisa ntangani yegi Adventista aiga Kenya. Kanisa ye iyacha yakuna chinkoro cy'abantu nabo igo mugando munene ukamubwatia na kumwiranira Nyasaye. Unire kanga yaba missionary missionary Jacob Orwa na aligirete na koroleke umbukende abo no bamulegete na gasoa ime yo mocho bosongo ensemo ya Nyanchwa aso mwaka bweli bwe ya mochi mikianda na 12 gwetera omukyo munene bwa Adventista ekanisa ye nechagete koranda ime yelira balia gusi.
Yeso maneno ito motoria Yeso maneno ito motoria Yeso maneno ito ere como tore seye bibe.
Abakristo kurwa gusi abange nkakiyo nigo bagasasimira sebigutu ime ya Nyaiguta. Ebigutu bya Nyaiguta mbyacha byaya.
Na inche no Mulisia James Mengo Nyancha kurwa city embongo. Ebigutu ibya jiete engakiye konyo musongo takire ko cheki gwaka ru Kenya. Wana karobo konye barorera baikuna bako bamo bakomenyoro sana barwana bakarera nk'abantu abana uru bamenyiramo ngocha kugera bare ntugamba bakareta bagasamba bagateba yiti ni mama ona kandani sio maneno ya Mungu.
Ebigutu biri tware kurara yabya nyorekane tenga bikuja modata megeti yo bisambete yarenge gakone ekegera uno morobiri rengenga ebigutu bije elinde egere abantu bataneneke kurwo bagende chinsemo bachikorosi chikambi.
Nonye ebigutu byayete ringana lya Nyasaye gwetere kanisa ya Adventista ndicheti gotenena nigo lyachagete koranda gochase chinsemo au ime ya gusi.
Karayo ekambi ya Nyaiguta yatananeka igo yayete ebigutu bikaya abogirango bos North Mugirango na West Mugirango na bagitutu bos tugatananeka tugacha ugango kera tuabera uganga matukata imaka miaka tugatananeka tugacha Kibirigo abagitutu bonsi bakagenda kurweruga uguchiburabu barabu bakagenda Nyamare kare kambi ya Kibirigo yarwo abantu bamate bakagenda Kya tuwaja Kya Banyoru.
Ase balia bakomulio monene nende bakubwatia amarokelio aye ngonyora barukubwo konene ekero bakubwatia ayebuku.
Yeso maneno ito motoria Yeso maneno ito ere como tore seye bibe.
igo bokristo nigo borobuya ting'anaria nyasaye nigo rikorenta omorembe naende nari yagerire ense ya gusii yagendereire na Kenya engima.
Ekanisa yachagete kurwagendia igasoa nyanchwa yarandire na kuhiremeria menene ime ya Gusii bono ang'ekere kenyoro nkere ne kanisa ya Adventista gose Sabbath School. Nche Vincent Monda, Ensoko TV.
Manchumurigeria soroboti uru Rwaya Vincent Monda no tuika omweri asemesa yamaya kurwa Ensoko ensa eyamo no gusaba kwa ninga kwanyara kuba kugwesemya na kwemanya hari aene kiwa siri tukeriga kurwa chinsemo ao gokonyoranga nande gekoraga chinsa isato nichikore nagaiga tosange hayega negati ya yanda mangi na boigo enkwana ya bene obutuko bwarera setura chikumurikira anne mono oborai bwage siasa ase ense ya Kenya na ali agendrete kwene kiwa sensemo ya magendro kumurikira na boigo chibura buru chene gatigwe ritukorigoro ase gati ya bananchi na barai banyatuko babagosaganwa ekero bagendrete nemeroberio yogo sasi Maria se county ya Nyeri ase boigo turachiko batugukunira oborai bwage siasa bogendrete ase ensemo ya Gusii nyoranga mheshimiwa Simba Arati uyoro mokonyi bumurebe magya ODM na bwo mugavana bwa county ya Kisii na negetie umuyiga omonene w'ikyama kya ODM abo bakokoboko serikali ya Kenya Kwanza. Tochikutwara umugani wito haigase studio Lucas Nyareru oyiboigo ore nekerenga yokoria obwe ward ya Kitutu Central ensemo bunge ya Kitutu Chache South county ya Kisii gikoraga chinsa isato tomocha gotengere mesema ya kurwa Ensoko chinga kechenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi aseri bakari abambo atesekuru ase studio ya kabere kwene kyamurigine chibicha ngochara senchirengia to gosaba hogendra gotwara borige byobuya bwemiro bya gendata sembeo ya Ensoko TV.